What's up guys, it's Virtual Beats coming at you live once again in the simulation. In today's video, we're going to be going over how you can get female background vocals over your main vocals. So this is good if you do a lot of melodic singing or you're trying to harmonize to create like a choir effect. This could be really useful. So I got two vocals right here, as you can see. The blue is the male vocal, the pink is the female vocal, and then the green as just the main verse without any background vocals, and the orange is just the outro, just a little ad-lib effect. But I'm gonna show you what the end result will sound like once you do everything.
Hey yo, Roger, this shit hard, boy.
Give range, I don't want you to change. Just stay the same, even through the money.
Alright, so that's what's gonna happen when you get all this done. So let's go ahead and get into the process. So first thing you want to do is you want to have two vocals. You want to have your main vocal, and the one that you want to have is the female background vocal. So you can go ahead and either take the first vocal that you recorded and duplicate it like how I did, put it under, go ahead, click this, make it unique, and then send it to a different mixer track. Or you could record a whole separate vocal, but for this tutorial I just duplicated the first one and I put this, the male, in 3 and the female in 4. So what you want to do is you want to go ahead and go into the female vocal. You want to make sure stretch is on, and you want to turn the pitch all the way up, so it'll go from sounding like this. Let me go ahead and put it normal. Let me go ahead and bypass this. All right.
Baby, why you always wanna bring me down?
And you just pitch it up. So yeah, obviously if you play it back, it's not gonna sound, You could do that, you could pitch it like that, but one way I like to do it is, so you have your mixer slot right here, right? Your mixer slot everything. Let me go ahead and mute these male vocals real quick. What you want to do is you want to get this plugin. It's a free plugin. I'll put a link in the description to download it. It's called M-Auto Pitch. And what you do is you set the key. So I know for the key of the song it's F sharp minor, so I click F sharp and I click minor. And now what this does is you add it in your whatever your vocal chain is. So how you have, I have NS1, then I would add this before you start doing the auto tune and all of your effects. So one quick way to do it is you can go ahead, you can right click this and you can go to file, and then you can go to save mixer state as, and you can drag it to the next one right here, and it'll keep all your effects. And then you just pull up the plugin. Let me go ahead and pull up you pull up the plugin, right? And then you just hover over it with your mouse and you scroll up, and when you scroll up you'll push the plugin up. So then you just push it up in front of the auto tune, and then it'll look like this. So why you want to use M-Auto or M-Auto Pitch is because with M-Auto Pitch it can go from sounding like this to this. So there's a lot of knobs on here, but what you really want to focus for is this knob. You can go ahead and mess with these, but I just recommend using this format shift knob. So I have it right here. This is my value. I'll copy this so I don't lose it. But it's gonna be at 0 when you first start like this. Let me me turn off the beat.
Baby, why you always wanna bring me down?
So as you move it left, you go deeper. So the more deep you can go, you could position it to a certain level and you'll sound more like a female vocal. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you that.
Stop playing with my feelings, I need you now. I don't wanna feel this way. Without you, life gets strange. Stop in the road and get range, get range.
Get range, I don't want you to change. Just stay the same, even through the money and fame.
So then when you play it both simultaneously, it'll sound like, you know, a layer. So
Baby, why you always wanna bring me down? Stop playing with my feelings, I need you now.
So once you have those done, then you're good. Then you can go ahead and line it up. So what I recommend for this is these female vocals, since they're the background, I'd keep them at 12-ish, a little below. And the main vocals, you always want to have them, you know, don't go higher than 6, and it'll sound good. And you can also another technique you could do is instead of duplicating the vocals like this, you could redo it and you could just re-record it in a higher octave. That way it sounds more, you know, it sounds more different. It sounds more, you know, like a female vocal. But yeah, that's pretty much what you do. And then when you play it back,
Baby, why you always wanna bring me down? Stop playing with my feelings, I need you now. I don't wanna feel this way. Without you, life gets strange. Stop in the rover and get range, get range.
and it really does make a difference, because without it, it just sounds, you know.
Baby, why you always wanna bring me down? Stop playing with my feelings, I need you now.
But yeah, that's pretty much it. And you would just add this. I'll put, like I said, once again, I'll put a link to download the plugin. It's free. And you just add it in your whatever mixer presets you guys use or whatever you guys like. This is another way to make it sound, you know, more smooth. But you want to add this after you noise limit it. And then you just go ahead, you do your tuning, your EQing, all of the above. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So that's how you get female background vocals. So if you guys like the video, go ahead, leave a comment if you want to see any more vocal tutorials in the future. And if you want to go ahead and share your music, want me to check something out, want me to give you feedback, etc., join our community Discord below. We have over 200 musicians, and it's a growing community where we all help each other. There's free courses, free drum kits, free samples, all kinds of stuff that you need to be the ultimate artist. So if you're interested in that, link below. I'll put it below so you can join the Discord community. But this is Virtual Beats, and I'm signing out the simulation.
Get range, I don't want you to change.